I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. My name is Jessica and welcome to my travel vlog. Today I'm at Praia de Carneiros in Brazil, one of the most beautiful beaches of the world. If you're enjoying my video so far, hit the like button and leave a comment. As I walk along the beach, I take in the stunning views of this paradise. The white sand and blue-green water are like a landscape painting. To the left, I can see the cliffs of the Park of PRAI, and to the right, the cobalt blue of the Atlantic Ocean. I stop to take a photo, and I'm mesmerized by the colors of the sky and ocean. Further on, I take a dip in the clear blue waters. The sun feels so nice on my skin. I'm so lucky to be able to experience the beauty of this place. I walk further down the beach and past the man-made seawall. It's crazy to think about how long this wall has stood here, protecting the beach from storms and high tide. As I admire the wall, I can't help but think of how much time and effort went into building it. Next, I take a few moments to relax in the shade of the coconut trees that line the beach. I listen to the waves crashing against the shore and the birds singing up in the branches. It is so peaceful here that I almost forget I'm here to film a travel video. As I explore the beach further, I come across a beautiful lagoon. It's a perfect spot to sit and enjoy the views. With the white sand, the palm trees, and the azure blue water, it's no wonder why this spot is so popular with tourists. At the end of my walk, I take one more look back at the stunning beach. I can't believe I got to explore and experience such an amazing place. Thanks for joining me on this travel vlog. I hope you enjoyed my beach walk.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!